Hello?
Eduardo.
Hey, buddy. How are you?
Good, good. Rumor has it you got a 790 for us.
It's ready. Has your name on it. Come and get it.
Sweet, sweet. I'll see you in a hot minute.
All right. Later.
Bye. Let's go get ourselves a 790. First Duke I've seen for sale in the States.
What's happening?
How you doing, man?
Good.
This mine?
It's yours.
Awesome.
Finally has arrived.
Okay.
All right.
Let's do some paperwork.
I'm just going to take it on the back we got unlocked.
Okay.
You can tell. Sounds good, dude.
We're actually gonna. Where are we taking it?
Somewhere twisty. You did for Fillmore, right? You did bike speed?
Yeah.
So you already had your hands on that bike?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
You got it before even the dealers, man. That's the first one I seen it. Like I was like today over there hovering over Marcos when he was putting together and stuff.
Yeah.
He looks pretty cool.
Well, this is the one that took this year's middleweight class in
Yeah, I
bike
know.
speed.
Yeah, he
So-
won, right?
Yeah, by a lot. I haven't read it. What we gotta do? We're gonna do a whole film thing on it.
Should be a fun bike.
Yeah, I've heard nothing but good things.
Yeah, I haven't had a chance to ride one yet.
Come ride mine if you want.
I know, you're the first one.